Now we will see our first example application that is going to be created in Visual Studio. I'm going to click new project, and I'm making sure the C# language is selected and Windows is selected with Windows Forms application. And let me say this as full name display. Full name display is the name of the project. So Visual Studio starts the project and it is going to make the form available for me. So in this project, the functionality of the project is going to be letting the user to input first name and last name, and then display his or her full name in the output box, text box. For this purpose, we are going to use text boxes. Here I have made these toolbox available, and I'm clicking on the command controls categories to make it expanded, and I'm going to add three buttons: button 1, button 2, and button 3, and three labels I'm going to have, and I'm going to have three text boxes: two text boxes for taking input from the user, and one text box to display the output. Here I'm clicking on the form, and then I'm going to properties window, and I'm clicking on this A to Z button to make these properties listed alphabetically from A to Z. So first I want to change this display text. It is reading as form 1, and I'm going to say this as full name display, or name name displayer. And I'm going to click on this label, and I'm making the change text as enter full name, or we will make it full name. First name, let me go first name. I'm pressing enter button to accept the entry, and then I'm calling it last name, and then this is going to be full name, right? Full name. And I'm going to align these to look neat and clean. I'm going to click on this first text box, and I'm going to save this as first name text box. Here we are going to have this convention of having the text box or label or whatever the control, the name of the control comes last, with the proper name coming first, right? The other text box is last name text box, and third one is full name text box. Now I'm going to align it. You see a blue line and the pink color line. Blue line shows you the top margin, and the pink line make sure the text inside the text box will be on the same line like the text on the label. I'm making it a little bit wider, bringing it here again, and making it equally wider, and again here I'm going to adjust it to make it nice and cool, right? So full name will be a little bit bigger, and I'm coming here to click on this button 1. I'm going to see full name button. Okay, and this is going to be a clear button. When the user clicks this button, it should clear the content, so clear button. And the third one is exit button. So when the user clicks this, the application should close. Okay, I have changed the name, but not the text. So text is displayed here as button 1. I'm going to say full name, and clear, and exit. Now I will make the form a little smaller and concise and compact, so that it looks fine. Let me run this project. Click on start button, so that the project will be compiled, and it will be displayed. Wait, it is building. So build successful, and now our project is going to run. Name display, and as you can see, the focus is here on the button. It is looking as bordered with blue color. So when the user launches this program, the cursor should blink here first, and then second here, go here third, clear, and exit. This is the order: first one, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. There's no stop here. So I'm closing this. I'm making sure the application is on display design mode, and I'm going to view and tab order. Here I'm going to click on this first one with the crosshair: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I started saying 1, but it is displayed as 0, which means the index starts from 0. Okay, now I'm going back to view menu and toggle off this tab order, save the works, and click start button. Now we will see the program running with the cursor blinking on the text box here. I'm keep on pressing tab key. Okay, now let me close this and add functionality. I'm double clicking on full name button, and I am closing these to make it little space, give some space. Full name, let me say full name text box dot text equals first name text box dot text plus a space we will give plus last name text box dot text. I'm terminating the code with a semicolon. Let me run this project. I'm going to type Sabras Nawaz, last name Samsudin, then click on full name. Exactly, it is displayed, right? So I'm going to click on this exit button, nothing happens. Click on clear button, nothing happens. So we will add functionality. At the same time, I will close this to get rid of these unwanted messy displays. I'm going back to this design view and click on the clear button. We will clear the first text box, that is first name text box dot text equal empty, last name text box text equals empty, and full name text box dot text equals empty. This means that the text displayed inside this first name text box will be cleared because there's no content. Same goes here for the last name text box as well as the full name text box. And again, what we need is we want to have the cursor blinking in the first text box. For that purpose, we will use the first name text box dot focus. This brings the cursor back to the first name text box. We will see the example again. Sabras Nawaz Samsudin, and click this button. It's there, and I'm going to click on this clear button. Yes, 3 text boxes are cleared and focus is brought to the first text box. If I click on exit, nothing happens. I'm closing this. I'm going back to its design view. Double click on this button to bring the code window. This dot close. Yeah, me is used in Visual Basic. In C# we use this keyword. This means the current form. Dot close. We will start. First name Sabras Nawaz Samsudin. Full name. It's here. We can clear this. Again we can give another name as Muhammad and Fahim. Muhammad Fahim is there. Clear. If I click on exit button, it terminates the program. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.